If you want a good sleep, then mix this Ayurvedic herb in milk and drink it before sleeping. Then see amazing many times one cannot sleep due to too much fatigue or stress. But if this problem of not getting sleep becomes a daily habit, then it is also wise to improve it before your health worsens. This Ayurvedic recipe can help you sleep. If you are also one of those people who do not sleep till late in the night even after going to bed, then the movements change. Then it can have a bad effect on your health as well as mental health. If sleep is not complete, metabolism may increase due to worsening digestive problems, stress and irritability. Many people also eat sleeping pills to make them sleepy. But these pills also have many side effects. In such a situation, we are telling you an Ayurvedic remedy which will help in getting good sleep and it also has no side effects. Drink Brahmi and almond milk for good sleep. According to Ayurveda states that if the right ingredients are mixed in the right amount, it helps to calm the nerves of the body, relax, and help in getting sleep. Ayurveda expert doctors, both almond milk and Brahmi work best in supporting sleep. It contains tryptophan which is converted into serotonin. Serotonin is a hormone that calms the brain so that we get better sleep. When almond milk is mixed with Brahmi, it treats the nervous system of the body, calms the nerves and helps in getting better sleep. Almond is known as a brain tonic in Ayurveda. Eating almonds regularly nourishes the brain as well as the nervous system, strengthens and also keeps the mind calm. When your mind, brain and body veins are calm, there will be no tension. Then you will definitely get good sleep. Talking about the benefits of Brahmi, it reduces anxiety and stress, improves brain function and also reduces BP. How to make almond and Brahmi milk? For this you need 4 almonds, 5 sprigs of Brahmi, 1 teaspoon honey, 180 milliliters almond milk. Soak the almonds for a few hours and wash the Brahmi leaves thoroughly and clean them. Now put all the ingredients in the mixer and blend it well. Now add honey to it and drink before sleeping.